We were keen for the team to really press on this morning, but disaster has struck the shape-up schedule, rain, and lots of it. But at least it's good news for the water storage supply.
Come rain or shine, Elizabeth and James still have to walk a long way to the well and pay some money so that they can get the family's water. This is something I'll definitely shape up.
Oh, the rain is over. Let's see what is in store here.
This is where they wash the utensils.
Yeah.
Okay. So how much did you collect?
Very little. Very little.
It's not big enough.
No.
So you need a bigger tank. And that gut thing, oh man, it's not strong enough. As you can see. I need new ones.
So much water wasted.
Yeah,
So much
so
of
pity.
Which I think we should just go and see what Granny has.
Oh, Granny. My. See any water in this?
The shore is
Wow.
ancient.
Could you turn on the tap now?
Oh, dry.
The tap's dried.
That's
Oh
dry.
man. And the guttering equally bad. And you need to tap all that rainwater. It could be such a waste.
I mean, Granny has cattle, she has goats, she has a shamba and no water.
So we need new gutterings here and the new water tank. Now that we have seen it all, we know what to do. Handy, mwangi.
Time is ticking away as our team wrestle with the water problem.
I catch up with Mwangi as he's doing the final test of the tanks. Perfect. We've managed to change this for that. And that for this. The 4,500 litre tank will mean Elizabeth won't have to go to the well so often.
And Granny will have enough water for her sheep and cows.
Ndakena muno ndamurathimithia kwe mwathani Ngai nĩ mwega.
On the top there's a liter for keeping the water clean.
It will make my work easier.
That's very good. They have done a very good job for us.